I am Eze Amos Chika, coordinator in charge of Agric and Bioresources Engineering, Soil and Water Lab. I'm carrying out a practical on feed capacity and permanent wetting point of soil. And the apparatus we are using to do it is this pressure plate extractor. Right now I'm working on 15 bar plate, and this practical is going to give you the extent of water. If you want to design a irrigation site, you use this machine to produce a quantity of water that you're going to pour on the site to make the soil moist enough for the plant to be evergreen to the extent, to the level that the crop will produce well. So this definitely, what the practical is all about is there is a plate we use. There is a ceramic plate that is breakable. You place the cup of soil, we call it a soil can. You place it on top of it, and then you apply a compressor. This is a pressure. You apply a pressure into the machine, and that pressure now will push away the water into this. You will see some water. This is the volume of water I've gotten already overnight. You must run this practical in 4 hours before you get a reasonable result. So I'm just trying to remove the one that I placed yesterday. So in this now, when I remove it now, I'll get the moisture content of the soil. That moisture content is what I'm going to use to calculate my feed capacity and permanent wetting point. This is going to give us the total availability of water in the soil. You know that in every soil there is some particle of air or particle of water. Now that we're in dry season, definitely there is still some water in the soil. If you bring it, when we place it here, definitely some water is going to come out. Okay? If you place it in the oven, it's going to get dry. Okay? If you weigh it, there will be a difference in the weighing. So this machine already is helping us to get feed capacity and permanent wetting point. So already the student just left here now. We are carrying out this. My interest on this is the universities. Normally, I graduated from Polytechnic, and they carry out a lot of practicals in Poly. My interest here is to make sure that the degree and the HND problem now will no longer be there. When you come into practicals, let the degree people also perform, and let the HND also come into education aspect. Okay? So my interest is to make sure that the student that is going through this soil and water lab will come out in a flying color, knowing a lot of things, something like soil sieve analysis, something like bulk density, water holding capacity, porosity, all these things that we are carrying out in this lab. Let them go out with it. So anywhere they are in the world, they will be proud that they graduated from University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Thank you.